How to add annotations in OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, JMV Technology Support Specialist. If you use OBS Studio for live streams or videos, you've likely forgotten parts of your script or important points. This video shows a simple, useful plugin for adding annotations directly in OBS Studio. This helps you stay organized while recording or streaming without needing a separate notepad screen. If you're new to OBS Studio, we offer a free, comprehensive course. Scan the QR code. To get the plugin, use the link in the video description. Click Download and get the installer for your OS. Extract and run the file. Remember to close OBS first. Install is easy. Just click Next and install. In OBS, click Panels, then Scene Notes. This window will appear. You can position it anywhere in OBS, just click and drag. Here's where you'll make your notes. Right-click to edit text, font, color, background, and create lists. For lists, we have several marker options. You can also select existing text and apply formatting. If important, highlight in red or any color. You can increase the title size too. Formatting helps organize and visualize your notes better. Each scene will have a different note. You can see my scene 2 notes are empty. Make a new note or copy from scene 1 if it's the same. Organize better by noting all you need during live or recording. Check out JMV Technology for multi-platform live streaming and more. For more info, scan the QR code. If you like this, like, share, and follow us for similar content.